Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm really excited. I'm going to be talking about perfume oils. So as you probably know if you watch my channel, I love perfumes, and recently I've gotten into perfume oils. Now perfume oils are great because if you are sensitive to scents, if you maybe have like an allergic reaction because of perfume oils actually don't contain alcohol, so you shouldn't get that issue with perfume oils. And also recently I've been really into oils for my body because I feel like I'm quite pale, but I like my body to glow, and I feel like when I use an oil, especially like a perfume oil, because I think they're, you know, they smell good, so why not? I feel like my skin looks a lot more glowy. Now I feel like today I didn't wear the right top to show you, but in the summertime I really like to wear dresses or like tube tops, and so a little bit of oil on your shoulders looks really good. So this brand actually reached out to me. So it's called JYCTY, and so here's the packaging. So they sent me their oils. They wanted me to try out the products and do a video if I like the brand, and I've been trying them out for the past few weeks now, and I really like them. The scents are really good quality. Like the scents are really nice, and the oil is also really good. It's not greasy, like you can apply it on your skin, it's gonna dry, it's not gonna say just greasy and goopy on your skin. And so yeah, this video is actually in collaboration with them, so thank you for working with me. So here's the packaging. So they actually do, so this is one of their original scents, but they also do impressions of very popular perfumes. So for example, this is an impression of Chloe. This is just the Chloe by Chloe, which I wanted to get this scent because my parents actually named me Chloe because of this perfume. My dad gave it to my mom as a gift, and so my parents loved the name, so they wanted to name me Chloe, which I feel like is the reason why I love perfume. But the Chloe scent is not one that I actually like. Yeah, like I should own that perfume technically because I know a lot of people like it, but I decided to get the oil because I can use it, but I don't want to get like a full-size perfume bottle because it's just not really me, but I feel like I have to have it somehow. So anyways, so yeah, they do have original scents, they have impressions, so I'll just share with you my favorites. But yeah, the brand is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and as I said, it doesn't contain alcohol, so if you're sensitive to scent, perfume oil is actually really good for you. But other benefits that I found with perfume oil, it's not as, I don't want to say the scent is not as strong because the scent is definitely there and you will for sure smell it on your skin, but it's not as overpowering. So if you have like a first date, one time I went on a date and I applied way too much perfume. Even my mom told me before I left the house, she was like, you have way too much on. And then the date was actually outside, so we ate on a patio, but then once we got in his car, he automatically took out like a medicine, like an allergy medicine kind of thing. So I was like, oh, are you allergic to something? He's like, yeah, I'm actually allergic to perfume. And so yeah, so I think perfume oils are really great because you kind of have to get a bit closer. They're a bit more sensual, so I think it's perfect for like an intimate kind of setting, and they're just perfect. Like the packaging is just perfect to just have in your bag. I love to carry perfume with me, and so this is just perfect. It's a roller ball, it's super easy to apply. So actually this I think is my favorite scent. So this is called Heart of Gold, and this is one of their original scents, and this just smells like summer. This just smells so good. It reminds me of something, like it's something from my childhood. I just can't quite put my finger on it, so I really like the scent. I feel like with the yellow from the packaging, it kind of represents the scent well. It's like liquid gold. It smells very kind of gold, but summery and kind of sunny. It smells really good. And yeah, like I usually apply it on my pulse point, so usually I do like behind my ears. Perfume oils are also really good to layer. You can put on the oil and then the perfume. It's a great way to layer scents, or since they do impressions of popular scents, you can get the impression of the perfume, and then if you have the perfume you can layer. But yeah, my favorite from their original scents is definitely Heart of Gold. It smells amazing. And then there's actually an impression of Baccarat Rouge from Francis Kurkdjian, which I've never owned the actual perfume, but I've smelled a lot of dupes, and so I feel like I still kind of know what it smells like, and this one smells really good. And so yeah, as I was saying, I do my pulse points. You can do the back of your knees. You can also, as I mentioned in the beginning, just apply a little bit like on your shoulders, on your chest a little bit. It'll just make you smell really good and make your skin glow. And then they also have these ones. So they have a vanilla scented one, which is one of their original scents again. And this just smells so good. It's such a warm, kind of sweet, yummy vanilla. It's really, really good. It's not, does it smell like cheap vanilla or like dirty, cheap vanilla? It smells really, really good. This would be a great one to layer if one of your perfumes is a bit too floral, you want to make it a bit more sensual. I think this one would be good. And as I was talking about, you know, intimate settings, vanilla is actually a aphrodisiac scent, and so vanilla could be good. And then they also have musk, which personally, like, I love a musky scent on a man. I think it's so nice. But this musk is called cashmere musk, and I would say this one is well suited for, I feel like this one is quite unisex, so I would definitely wear this one. Yeah, it's just like a little musky, but it's just very cozy and kind of a sensual kind of scent. I really like this one. Oh, they also have an impression of flower bomb, which I think is the perfect kind of date scent. As I said, you know, if you're going on a date, you don't want to be too much, but you still want to smell good, but you want your scent to be inviting, you know? I think flower bomb is a really good one. It's floral, and this is an impression of flower bomb, as I was saying. I don't think Victor and Rolf, they make an oil, so if you already have the perfume but you want maybe to layer with an oil, because perfume oils have a really great lasting power because they're oil, obviously. So if you want to layer with the oil, or if you just want to try out the scent without buying the actual perfume, I have an impression of Tom Ford Black Orchid, which personally for me, Black Orchid, I like the scent. It's just not really my scent from Tom Ford. Like, I would not buy an actual bottle, I don't think so. Maybe my taste will change, but it's a nice one. It's really nice. I've smelled, you know, the original Black Orchid. I think it smells pretty similar to what I remember, but it's just like a really strong scent. I think it's an acquired taste. They also do impressions of Good Girl Gone Bad from Kilian. So Kilian, I've never tried any of their perfumes, but I've heard so many people talk about them. Now this smells really, really good. It's kind of soft, but one of my favorites is actually this one. So this is an impression of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, and I smelled this perfume before. I really like it, but the oil is just so nice. Now this one is, I want to say, more unisex, so it's not feminine, but a man could definitely be wearing this. But if I wear unisex scents, this is the kind of scent I like to go for, because it's very warm, it's a little woody, it's vanilla, it's smoky. It's just such a sexy scent. I really like this, and I think this is a really great dupe for the actual Tom Ford one. So it's very nice, and it lasts for so long. I apply it where I usually, I'm just gonna have a lot on today. This scent really projects, it really lasts, it's really nice. So if you have one, I would say this one, because it's a really special scent, and I feel like you just need a little bit of this. So my top favorites, I want to say the Heart of Gold, the impression of Tobacco Vanille, and I do love me some Flower Bomb. And I also really like the Vanilla Sky, because I think you can do so many things with this. You can layer with so many different scents, and I feel like it's always gonna smell good. It's just gonna add that little bit of vanilla that you want. I'm really loving these. The quality is great. The packaging is glass, really nice packaging, and they're just really good quality scents. I feel like sometimes when companies do impressions of perfumes, the scent are a little bit off, or you know, they don't smell, the quality of the scent is just not there. But with these, the quality of the scent is really there. So I love their original scents, I love their impressions, and this comes with 10 milliliters, which is, how many ounces? I don't know, but just 10 ml is usually the standard for travel size, and most of them retail for $19, and some of them retail for $24.99, I believe. And so it's quite affordable if you compare it to like a travel size of a perfume. I'm definitely going to be wearing these this summer, like on my shoulders, as I was saying. I like to apply a little bit and then rub with my hands. And then also for my legs, I like to apply just a little bit and kind of rub it on my legs. And you know, it's not too much and it just makes you smell so good. So yeah, if you're interested to try out JYCTY, it's also, I forgot to mention, it's also a Canadian brand. So as a Canadian, I love to support Canadian brands, and they're from Toronto if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to support them, that would be amazing. They also gave me a coupon code if you want to save some money. So I'll leave all the details below. I'll leave the links and their Instagram. What I like about their Instagram, they're very informative. They kind of inform you about perfume oils, and their Instagram is really nice. So I'll leave it below. Also the website and all my favorite scents, I will leave them below. So yeah, that will be it for this video. Let me know if you've tried any perfume oils, if you like them. Thank you so much JYCTY for working with me on this video. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm a bit more active on there, more frequently, so it's at Zadori. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon, everyone.